Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Roman numeral page numbers to Word. Open your Word document. After that, go to the Insert menu. Then open the page number option and choose the desired location. Now again in the Insert menu, click on Page Number and this time click on Format Page Numbers. Here in the Number Format field, select the Roman style. Click on OK. You can see the page number in this style. If you add more pages, the Roman number will automatically increase. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.